People, this is so strange, but um, a small thing like leaving your hair loose makes one look so nice compared to if one is okay. See, I'm sitting in the sun, but does it make a difference? No, my I look even more darker. Okay, it's as simple as this, that I need to have the sun on my face. That's when I'm looking nice. Okay. Mm, So, see, I'm waiting for this auto guy. He says he's going to come, and then I don't know whether, yeah, he will come. He is a sincere type. So, that is also an important point to keep in mind, that sometimes whatever you say you do, one should do it, because then then people will take you seriously for it. So, I wonder if I face that way, whether I'll get the sun on my face. That's also a good thing, right? So, let me do that. Okay. So, I feel I'm looking very pretty right now. I think eating all those neem leaves have helped. I should take some more neem leaves and go. So thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.